Okay, we're back here at the Cebu Coliseum. Final score po natin, 68-66. And with us tonight is the pride of Davao City, Victor Rabat. 10 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. 9 of those points dito sa fourth quarter. Vic, ano bang feeling ngayon? Manalo ko, semifinals na kayo. Pero ang laro ng USC, mukhang nangangapa po kayo sa first 3 quarters Tapos dito sa fourth pumutok.
Ano lang, credits na yun sa UC kasi alam namin, sinasabi ni Coach sa amin na hungry talaga sila manalo. Lalo na we're fighting against number 4 seed. So, pero sa amin, we needed the win din. Sabi lang ni Coach na focus na kami sa system, we trust each other lang. Tapos yun, nangyari na lang na maayos yung performance namin pag-fourth.
Okay, take us through. Paki-describe lang what happened with those tatlong 3-pointers yun And I thought that broke the backs of UC. In those situations, iniisip ba natin yun? Is it a play already? Or parang, let go na lang, titira na lang ako?
Hindi ko na kasi iniisip kasi when you're in the game, iisipin mo na gusto mo na talaga manalo Tapos yun, libre ako Pagbigay ni katapusan, binigay ko sa kanya. Tapos binalik niya sa akin, kita ko naman libre ako. Tapos sabi ni Coach sa amin na basta open lang, tira lang, trust lang.
Okay, I'll give you a chance to greet the mga supporters natin relatives sa Davao.
Binabati ko yung mga sa Davao, sa Skyline, sa SGR, and pinsan ko dun sa labas, Borge, Renzo. Yan lang.
Alright.
Mati.
Okay, people, thank you very much. Hello to the people of Davao, good friends out there. We'll take you back to Sandy.
Thank you very much, Rico Navarro, best player of the game. Vic Rabat, 3 out of 3 from the land of 3. Victor Rabat scoring at will in the fourth quarter. Final score, University of San Carlos 68, University of Cebu 66. So USC will be in the semis and they will join UV and Southwestern University FINMA. All right, thanks to our statistician, Margaret Kenji, my partner, Rico Navarro. My name is Sandy Grumo from the Cebu Coliseum. Thank you for watching. See Safi Season 16 on Viva Sports.